You go back up there on 10th tonight, huh?
Yep. She's on ground tonight.
I was gonna get shaved.
You get pretty good, yeah?
Didn't shave when I took a shower and
Sunday, but I
I
don't
went
know.
to bar, this one I tried to shave, but they said she couldn't do it. So she took home there.
Rachel?
Rachel, no, not Rachel,
Kelly?
Kelly,
Oh.
not Kelly either.
No, not Kelly either, okay.
Yeah, there's so many girls.
Marlene?
Huh?
Marlene?
No,
Connie?
Connie.
Connie, okay, Connie.
Connie tried to shave me over here.
Oh, Chris Hardy. I tried to shave him again.
Just wouldn't work.
Oh, they took it away, didn't they?
Yeah.
So we can't shave. Never mind.
I just told her to take hold and
Just me, Glenn.
do it tomorrow or the next day when I come there. I might like to go there.
Might as well.
Goatee? Can we get a goatee?
Yeah.
That'd be cool.
That'd be cool.
One guy that was nurse for one before said it'd be wonderful to grow hair like I've got.
I'll say. Yeah. Well, did anybody notice your teeth? And do they want teeth like yours too?
I haven't got them yet.
Oh,
What's
okay.
her name? I thought maybe that was part of the problem of being here.
Was the teeth?
Because these are permanent, not permanent, but temporary.
Temporarily?
They're gonna cost, what, 2.5?
About that. Yep.
Barbara insisted that I get them, and I told her, hey, I can, so when I die, I just close my mouth if I
Just sew it up.
sew it up, and it won't stay closed.
Super glue.
Oh, God. Oh.
That's what it is.
Well, I'm glad you got those done. Your teeth.
The teeth?
Yep, glad you got it done.
Oh,
So you don't have to worry about that being part of the problem.
Well, it's just more money going.